Hello students, today we are going to start another topic, that is your excretion in human beings. All of you know that in case of human being, the excretory organ or the organ which is responsible for the excretion are what? A pair of lungs. So excretory organ in case of human beings are pair of lungs. So lungs are responsible for and what for this excretion, and what the excretion is, जैसा हमने पहले स्टडी किया है, excretion is the removal of nitrogenous waste from the body, and mainly this process is done with the help of kidney, and within kidney there are certain nephrons जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं structural and functional unit of kidney, where the purification of blood takes place. As a result, nitrogenous waste are produced in the form of urines, that is in the form of urine. Okay, so the excretory system of human being includes pair of kidneys, pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. So kidney are located in abdomen, one on either side of the backbone, and the urine produced in the kidney passes through the urethra into the urinary bladder, where it is stored until it is released through the urethra. So these ureters की बात करें तो ureters are tubular structure arising from the each kidney that carries urine from the kidney up to the urinary bladder. Within the urinary bladder, storage of urine takes place temporarily, and after that the passage of urine takes place through a urethra. So structure की बात करें तो generally these are the pair of kidneys. From kidney arises these tubular structure, and these are known as ureters. Ureters then enters into urinary bladder, and urinary bladder finally leads into urethra. So जो urine produce होगा कहाँ पर? That is kidneys में, वो pass होगा via ureters into the urinary bladder. ठीक है ना? So each one ureter arising from each kidney, one from here, one from here. So urine gets collected here, that is within the urinary bladder temporarily, and after that it is expelled out from body through urethra. So human excretory system consists of course kidneys, और kidneys की बात करें तो blood vessel that join them, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra, and they helps in the production and excretion of urine. These are kidneys की बात करें तो these are two beam-shaped kidney that lie in the abdominal cavity, one on either side of the vertebral column, and the kidney are reddish brown in color, and they are about 10 centimeter long and weight about 150 gram. Although they weigh less, they receive a lot of blood for filtration. Now अगर हम बात करें तो volume of blood nearly equivalent to that in the whole body passes through the kidney every 4 or 5 minutes. The kidney produces urine to filter out the waste product like urea and uric acid from the blood, and urine leaves each kidney through a tube called ureters, and ureters from both kidney are connected to the urinary bladder that collects and store urine. And finally ureters जो है वो carry करते हैं, ureters carries urine from the kidney into the urinary bladder, and the urethra is canal that carries urine from the bladder and expel it outside the body. What mean? किडनी की बात करें तो किडनी में होती है यूरिन की फॉर्मेशन, दैट इज व्हेन द प्यूरिफिकेशन ऑफ ब्लड टेक्स प्लेस विद इन द किडनी. मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि किडनी हैव सम स्पेशलाइज्ड सेल फॉर दैट पर्पस, एंड उसे हम बोलते हैं नेफ्रॉन्स. सो नेफ्रॉन्स को कहा जाता है स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ किडनी. सो किडनी में जब ब्लड की प्यूरिफिकेशन होती है तो प्यूरिफिकेशन होने के बाद नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट जो है वो प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, रिलीज होते हैं, एंड नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट मेनली यूरिया आर in case of human being it is mainly urea, and this nitrogenous waste को हम बोलेंगे urine, and they get that is collected within the abdomen capsule. आगे हम ये चीज़ें स्टडी करेंगे, and from where with the help of ureters the urine is expelled out from the kidney. Ureters carries the urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder में उसका storage रहता है temporarily, and after that the urine is expelled out from the urinary bladder through or via urethra. सो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो मेनली अगर किडनी की बात करते हैं तो आउट इनर रीजन को हम बोलते हैं कॉर्टेक्स, इनर रीजन को बोलते हैं मेडुला, एंड आउटर रीजन को बोलते हैं कॉर्टेक्स. एंड मेडुला में ही नेफ्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ किडनी. एंड दीज आर द रीनल आर्टरी. रीनल आर्टरी का क्या फंक्शन होता है? रीनल आर्टरी कैरीज इम्प्योर ब्लड फ्रॉम बॉडी टू द किडनी, एंड रीनल वेन जो है वो कैरी करती है प्योर, दैट इज प्योर या वी आल्सो सिस्टम purified blood from kidney to different parts of the body. So renal artery का function है impure blood को लाना kidney तक, and renal vein का function है pure blood को kidney से लेना after purification, and these are the ureters. Now, if it about internal section or of the kidney, so kidney is enclosed in a thin fibrous covering जिसे हम बोलते हैं capsule, and a renal artery, याद रखो इंपॉर्टेंट है, रिनल आर्टरी जो है वो ब्रिंग करती है ब्लड को किडनी में अलॉन्ग विद नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट मटेरियल. आफ्टर फिल्ट्रेशन इन द किडनी द प्यूरिफाइड ब्लड leave the kidney through renal vein. So renal artery carries that is impure blood to the kidney, and renal vein takes purified blood from the kidney after filtration. Internally, kidney is divided into two regions. Outer is known as cortex and inner is known as medulla. So the hollow space from where the ureter leaves the kidney is called the, here is the one more important point, the space from where the ureters leaves the kidney उसे बोलते हैं pelvis. And each kidney is made up of numerous, about 1 million coiled excretory tubules known as nephrons. So this nephron is also important because this nephron is known as the structural and functional unit of kidney, जिसका 3 function होते हैं mainly. एक तो filtration, दूसरा absorption, and तीसरा secretion. So, a cluster of thin-walled blood capillaries remain associated with the cup-shaped end of each nephron tubules. These capillaries bring blood from the body to the nephron for filtration. The network of capillaries spread over the nephron tubule. Also, these capillaries finally carry purified blood to the body. So here we use term that is structure. जो किडनी का फंक्शनल यूनिट है, स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट है, वो क्या है? नेफ्रॉन. सो नेफ्रॉन इज द स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ किडनी, मेनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द प्यूरिफिकेशन ऑफ ब्लड. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट हम स्टडी करेंगे हियर दैट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नेफ्रॉन एंड हाउ द प्यूरिफिकेशन ऑफ ब्लड और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ यूरिन टेक्स प्लेस विद इन द नेफ्रॉन, जिसे हम बोलते हैं अल्ट्रा फिल्ट्रेशन. सो फर्स्ट आपका टॉपिक रहेगा इसके बाद दैट इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नेफ्रॉन. इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है.